Welcome back. In this video lecture, I will discuss Lakehouse medallion architecture. I will discuss in the detail basically what is the medallion architecture and in the modern data warehouse why we always follow the medallion architecture Lakehouse. So basically in Databricks topic, if you are preparing for the data engineering or data analyst, you always have a question related to the medallion architecture. Either you have attend any interview or if you are working in the real time. So in the modern data warehouse, always we follow the medallion architecture. So let's start what exactly we have the medallion architecture. So when we talk about the medallion architecture, we have the three type of the layer of the databases. First is the bronze layer, second one is the silver layer, third one is the gold layer. So in the Spark or the Databricks, so Databricks is the basically the platform which used to process the data. So Databricks, we don't have any storage layer. Okay, so this is the logical storage layer, but when we work with the Databricks, either you need to be integrate with the any of the cloud storage application, either is the Azure or the AWS or the GCP. So and we can connect to the medallion Databricks layer to the any ADLS Gen 2 or the S3 in the AWS, and by using the Unity catalog, we can mount the container. We can create the Unity catalog, and you can basically handle all these things. So we'll discuss in the future session, but this is the lake house medallion architecture. So we'll start from the first one. So first one is basically the operation. Okay, what is the operation? So operation where the data is got generated. Either the enterprise apps, we have the databases, website, file server, mobile app, IoT device. So let's consider the example. For example, we have the Flipkart. So Flipkart services is basically they sold out the all the data. So basically they have the customer information, they have the all the what the services they provided, like what type of the services in the sense what type of the product is the selling, if there any type of the refund or something is there, is any type of the dispatch, like all type of the activity we have this. So all this type of the activity data got generated either using the app. If you are using the Flipkart app application, data is generated through the app. We have the Flipkart database as well, Flipkart website as well. Some marketing team is also doing some type of the activity. They have the some type of the files is there. Some IoT device is also related to talk about the some device where they have some type of data generated. So from the operation to the we can load data into the two form in the bronze layer. Either you can process by the batch load or the stream load. So what is the batch load? Batch load is the basically we have the some all data, all in the sense 2 hour back data or 5 hour back data, like historical data will be there, not the real time data. Like till today afternoon 12 p.m., whatever the data is generated, this need to be processed next day 12 p.m., something 24-hour data by using the batch processing. And batch, we have the two type of the load will be there. Uh, one is the incremental load, second one is the full load. But stream in the sense like real time data will be there, like whatever the real time data is got generated, that we need to be load into the bronze layer. So we have this like to fill this bridge, we have data injection. Okay, the concept is called the data injection. And data injection, we have various tool available in the market. We can use the Azure Data Factory, we can use the Kafka, we can use the Fivetran. So majorly, if you talk about in the Azure cloud, we use the Azure Data Factory. We also have the Azure Event Hub for the streaming data, and data is come into the bronze layer. So once the bronze layer will become, basically we have the Databricks is developed on top of the Apache Spark, and Apache Spark support various programming language, Python, Scala, SQL. All this programming language is basically Apache Spark is uh, uh, Apache Spark engine is consider. So once the data will be come into the bronze layer, so bronze layer we have the all the raw data, like whatever the data is coming from the source, that all data, raw data will be available into the bronze layer, and we can do the data transformation, data cleansing, by using the Python programming, by using the SQL, by using the Scala, whatever the programming language you are comfortable, and data will be processed from the bronze to the silver layer in the distributed cluster. What is the distributed cluster? Means if you talk about in Databricks, so Databricks is basically used to work on the distributed cluster. Like I can explain in the simple way, like when you work in the one premises, only one machine will be process the data, but distributed cluster we have the multiple machine, they had distributed the task based on the whatever the you created the configuration of the cluster. Okay, so that will be discussed in the future also, how we can create the cluster, all this thing. And once the data will be moved from the bronze to the silver, and we can do the data aggregation and move to silver to the gold. So gold layer is basically used to for the reporting to team, BI reporting, ML model, like who is the data is consuming, the data is available on the gold layer. So we have the three type of the layer basically into the medallion architecture: bronze, silver, and the gold layer. And data will be processed either batch processing and either the string processing, and data will be consumed by using the app, Power BI tool, any of the tool you can integrate, and ML model also we have are using in the gold layer. So this is the lake house medallion architecture complete. So if you have any question related to what is the lake house medallion architecture, so definitely you can able to answer all this question. So thank you so much watching complete this video. We'll meet again next video. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.